What is a supervolcano? See, when most people picture any volcano, they think of steep sides, lava coming out of the summit, maybe a giant ash cloud overhead. But supervolcanoes are something else entirely. In fact, they don't really look like volcanoes at all. See, a supervolcano isn't defined by how tall or wide it is. It's actually determined by how much stuff it releases. Scientists use something called the Volcanic Explosivity Index, or VEI for short, and this allows them to rank eruptions. On this scale, some of the most famous eruptions in history, such as Mount Vesuvius for Pompeii or Mount St. Helens in the 1980s, they fall somewhere in the middle of the VEI scale. But at the very top is VEI 8, which is a supervolcanic eruption. That means more than 1,000 cubic kilometers worth of material gets blasted into the sky. To put that into perspective, the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens, which was pretty extraordinary, well, that released about 1 cubic kilometer worth of material. And the impacts of supervolcanoes go beyond just the blast zone. When a supervolcano erupts, they have the potential to alter the course of the planet. Ash can spread across entire continents. Sulfur and aerosols are injected into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight, causing the planet to cool for many years. And what follows is crop failure, ecosystem collapse, and humans, no matter how advanced they are, fall victim to the most powerful forces on Earth. The good news is supervolcanoes are rather rare. They occur every 10 to 20,000 years, which means they won't happen in one human lifetime, but over the course of humanity, they're inevitable. And one of the most unsettling parts about this is supervolcanoes are usually hidden in plain sight. Yellowstone in the United States looks like a peaceful national park. Lake Taupo in New Zealand is a popular tourist attraction for fishing and boating. Campo Flegrei in Italy sits beneath the populous city of Naples, where 500,000 people live within the blast zone. Most of the time, these volcanoes slumber quietly, being monitored by scientists, showing only minor signs of unrest. But as history tells us, whether these volcanoes erupt aren't an if, but a when. Thanks for watching Earth Explained. If you live in the vicinity of a supervolcano, put it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow, and I'll see you in the next one.